Hi everyone. You can see my black chicken, white chicken and ducks. So they enjoyed eating the evening meals. You can see here, so beautiful. You can see the black one is the salmon, the very expensive, the black one here. And this one, the black water chickens in the white little rooms. This one, it's so beautiful. So you can see here, it's so beautiful. And this one is Ayancemani, originally from Indonesia. So beautiful and very expensive chicken here. Very good chicken here. And what is your farm? Can you show me? Can you comment below? What is different between Asia and Europe or whatever?